Hi, this is attorney Nicole Christie from the Christie Law Firm, where we work hard to make families stronger. And so today I want to answer another question that we often get when clients call our office, and that is, can I refuse to work with DCF? And yes, you can refuse to work with DCF. You always have rights regarding DCF. And so you can decide, I don't want to answer a phone call. I don't want you visiting my house. I want nothing to do with you. And so there are one of several ways that could go. And so DCF's response could be, well, do we have enough to pursue this? And so they will contact their legal team within their office to say, here are the allegations, the parents are refusing, do we have enough to continue? And if they have enough to continue, they will continue to call you and keep knocking on your door and keep sending you messages and try their best to actually complete the investigation by interviewing you and your family. And so if that doesn't work, they'll go back to their legal team and say, do we have a means to go to court? Do we have enough to go to court? And if they decide they have enough to go to court, then they will do so if you continue to not comply. But it is your right not to comply. There is another option that actually happens from time to time, and that is DCF simply goes away. There's not enough for them to pursue the case. Their legal team doesn't think that the report in and of itself is enough to actually file neglect petitions or to file a show cause, which means that they file something with the court and they have the court order you to come to court and show cause as to why they shouldn't be involved or why the court shouldn't be involved. And sometimes they will eventually just go away. It doesn't happen often, depending on the type and nature of the case. They will continue because they do have an obligation to make sure the children are safe. And so just understand that you have these different rights, but then again, DCF also has a reaction to those rights and how you exercise it. I compare it to like a game of chess. So you make one move, and depending on the move that you make, your opponent can make another move. And it could be something that's detrimental to you or something that's helpful to you. So it all depends on each case and all depends on each fact of those cases and how that team decides to pursue the matter. So yes, you have a right to not work with DCF, you so choose, but what DCF does as a result of that depends on the case and depends on the facts involved. So if you have more questions about dealing with DCF, especially investigations or substantiations, please check out our playlist. We have additional videos about that, and as well as just general information about dealing with DCF. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, as well as share this video with others, especially people who are dealing with DCF and having a hard time doing so. Take care.